Welcome to my YouTube channel, SM Wealth YouTube channel. Subscribe and video like. From the street, this house looks completely hidden. No massive driveway, no flashy gates, just a clean, minimalist exterior. But when you push open this hidden 1,000-pound stone pivot door, you enter a $1,800,000 architectural sanctuary hidden right in plain sight. Today, we're taking you inside to show you what under $2 million actually gets you in secret luxury real estate. Drop a comment below. Would you live here, or would you want more privacy? Let's check out the main level. Step into the open concept living area. You're greeted by 20-foot ceilings, custom architectural lighting, and cantilevered floating stairs that look like they're hovering in mid-air. The entire back wall is motorized glass that retracts into the wall with the press of a button, completely blurring indoor and outdoor living. Right off the main lounge is the chef's kitchen, finished with an oversized Calcutta marble waterfall island and hidden sub-zero appliances. But notice anything missing? No clutter. That's because hidden behind this seamless wood paneling is a full secret butler's pantry and coffee station where all the real prep happens. Heading upstairs, we reach the primary suite. It's designed as a total sanctuary, complete with smart automated blackout shades, custom acoustic wall paneling, and wall-to-wall glass. The primary bathroom feels like a 5-star spa, featuring a standalone soaking tub, dual rainfall steam shower, and direct sliding glass access straight out to your private upper deck overlooking the infinity pool down below. Now, for the ultimate feature of this home. Down the hall, this innocent-looking bookshelf actually hides a secret acoustic room. Push it open, and you enter a soundproof subterranean lounge and private cinema, complete with ambient LED strip lighting and a built-in wet bar. Whether you want an ultra-private lounge, an exclusive screening room, or a hidden retreat away from the world, this is where the $1.8 million price tag truly pays off. So, from the hidden stone entryway to the secret underground lounge and seamless indoor-outdoor living, that is what $1,800,000 gets you in a modern secret luxury home. Is this hidden feature worth the price, or would you change the design? Let me know in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for the next mega mansion tour.